Hello friends, now we will solve an example based on shear reinforcement. So we have data over here, an RC beam 250 by 500 effective is reinforced with 420 dia bars of Fe415. Beam carries factor shear force of 200 kN. Find spacing of 8 mm dia, 2-legged Fe250 stirrups, use M20. See, in this question we have given 8 mm dia, 2-legged stirrups. So here we did not have to assume stirrups diameter. It is directly given, so we have to use 8 mm dia and 2-legged. We can start minimum with 6 mm dia and 2-legged. So here we have data 200, VU 200 is given, shear force is given to us. B is equal to 250, D is equal to 500, M20, so FCK is given 20 Newton per mm square. Area of steel is given, that is 420 dia. So area of steel is equals to 4 pi by 4 20 square, so it is 1256 mm square. So we have to check whether tau v is greater than tau c or tau v is less than tau c. So in a previous video we had solved a numerical based on condition tau v is less than tau c, where we have to provide minimum shear reinforcement. In this question we will calculate first tau v. So you know that tau v is equals to VU divided by BD. So VU is 200 into 10 raised to 3 divided by B is 250 into D is 500. So it is 1.6 Newton per mm square. See, this equation is given in page number 72. Okay, so now to find tau c. For tau c, I told you that first we have to calculate percentage of steel. If it is not given, then we have to calculate by using this equation 100 AST by BD. Okay, so 100 into 1256 area divided by B is 250 into 500. So percentage of steel is 1%. Okay, so now you have to calculate tau c based on this. So on page number 73, table number 19, PT value and M20 concrete grade. So we are getting tau c value from the table, that is 0.62 Newton per mm square. You can easily calculate from the table number 19, page number 73. So we are having condition over here, that is tau v value is 1.6 and tau c value is 0.62. So tau v is greater than tau c. So we can say that shear reinforcement is designed. So we have to design shear reinforcement. Okay, so for designing of shear reinforcement we have a condition or equation, you can say. So first we have to calculate shear force resisted by concrete. See, don't forget to watch my video of theory part of your shear reinforcement. Okay, so that is equals to tau c into BD. So tau c is what? 0.62 into 250, B is 250 and D is 500. So shear force resisted by concrete is 77500 Newton. Okay, now we have an equation on page number 73. VUS is equals to VU minus tau c BD. So VU we are having 200 into 10 raised to 3 into 77500. So that is 122,500 Newton. So VUS we are getting 122,500 Newton. Now we have a data given, that is 8 mm dia, 2-legged stirrups, FE 250 stirrups. Okay, find spacing. So we have to calculate what? SV. So we have to design that portion. Okay, so we can write that for 8 dia, 2-legged mild steel vertical stirrups, ASV is area of that stirrup is pi by 4 into 8 square into 2. So that is 100.53 mm square. So, and that Fy is 250 because it's a mild steel. Generally for stirrups we are taking mild steel only. Okay, so SV equation is given. Okay, so that is 0.87 Fy ASV into D divided by VUS divided by VUS. So 0.87 into Fy is 250 multiplied by 100.53, D is 500 and VUS is equals to 122,500. So we are getting spacing for the 8 mm dia 2-legged stirrups, that is 89.24 mm. This is our final answer. Okay, so we have to check this spacing, check for maximum spacings. Okay, checks for maximum spacing. So first we have 0 point, this condition is given in page number 47 and 48. Okay, so first condition is 0.75 D, so that is 0.75 into 500, so that is 375 mm. Second is 300 mm, provide minimum of 3, and third condition is, that is your minimum spacing requirement, is this equation 0.87 Fy ASV divided by VU, sorry 0.4 B. Okay, so if you put all the values, then it is 0.87 into 250 into 100.53 divided by 0.4 into 250. So we are getting answer, that is 218.65 mm. So provide smaller of 3 in this condition, but we have also these SV values, so provide smaller of 4. Provide smaller of 4 values, 4 spacings. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4, this 4 value. So that value is 89.24 mm. So approximately you can say it's a 90 mm. This SV what we are going to provide. Okay, if we draw a figure, so we have a beam 250 mm by 550 mm. Okay, if we draw a stirrups, this is my stirrups. Okay, a steel is there, 420 dia, 1 2 3 4, this is your minimum steel. This is your 8 dia stirrups, and this is 1 and 2-legged, so 8 dia 2-legged. Okay, so if we draw a side view, then This is my main steel. Okay, so these reinforcements are which reinforcement? 420 dia. This is your area of steel, main tension steel. Okay, and these all are my stirrups. Okay, so this is your 8 dia, 2-legged, and spacing between that is 90 mm. This is your SV. Okay, so this is all about your second numerical, in which we had solve a condition, that is tau v is greater than tau c. In previous video we had solved numerical based on tau v is less than tau c, where minimum shear reinforcement is to be provided, and here tau v is greater than tau c, where we have to design shear reinforcement. Thank you.